This is our model 3624. The dimensions are 36 across the front, 24 inches deep. There are no legs in the back, so that's your dimension. And this has two ways to open it. There's a top load. And that stays up. And then there's a side door. Side door is 18 by 12 side door. 24 is operated with a trigger gun. It's a 14 CFM ceramic nozzle, 14 CFM orifice. You pour the glass media right into the door, down through the grating. You don't need any more than 10 to 15 pounds to load it. You hook your air supply right up to this safety valve, and when you close the lid, it triggers the valve so that you can blast with it. That's a good safety feature. Down at the bottom you have a cap where you dump the old abrasive. And just close it back up. That's basically it. The window is basically 20 by 10. Has a Mylar protective shield that comes with it when that gets frosted up. We sell replacements for this in a 12-pack. The electrical is 110. You've got one LED light fixture in here, and also in the back is a receptacle to plug in your vacuum dust vac, which turns on and off with the unit up here. This happens to be the only unit that we sell where you can back it right up against the wall. It doesn't take up any more floor space.